Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Passat key fob. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized prying tool to avoid damaging the plastic. Also, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery on hand for replacement. It is always best to work on a clean, well-lit surface to prevent losing any tiny components during the process. This guide makes it simple. Now, let us begin by removing the emergency key. Press the small release button on the side of your fob and pull out the metal key blade. This reveals a small slot inside the compartment. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or prying tool into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid forcing it and causing damage. Once the casing is open, you will see the circuit board and the old battery. Observe how the battery is positioned. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your tool. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working as expected. If you are looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and more. Your key fob should now be fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.